This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. At 39 miles to the gallon, plenty of room and lots of safety equipment, I think this 2024 Nissan Altima S is the perfect commuter car. Beautiful vehicle, low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, 16-inch wheels, great set of hand-cooked tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. It's super black with charcoal interior. Chrome door handles, black mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor integrated right into the grille. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 19,000 well cared for one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth, backup camera, heating and air controls, auxiliary audio jack, a USB port, a 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, including remote start and trunk release, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Altima 2.5S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.